In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get every single gem in one day. And somewhere in the video, I'm going to show you how to actually place them. So make sure you watch to the end. So chances are you've probably watched my most viewed video where I get the last gem I needed for the complete set. But something you probably didn't know from that video is that I actually got that gem in 2 hours, which is basically what I did for every single gem. So if you do the math, 2 hours times 5 gems, you can get every gem in about 10 hours, which is pretty insane because that's like less than a full day. But anyways, let's get to the tips to getting all the gems in less than a day. Now, my first tip, I have 3 tips in this video to getting the gems in 10 hours, is use the elements to your advantage. Let me explain. I know that probably sounds confusing, but if you're trying to get the Firefly Forest gem, you should know that the monsters over here, and I'm going to show you right here in a second, just in case you didn't know, but the monsters over here are grass slash earth type or plant, whatever you want to name it. So if you want to get the Firefly Forest gem, you want to first go over here to Bonfire Spire and get a overpowered fire pet because fire is stronger than plant. And the same goes for basically every region. If you want to get this gem first, the Bonfire Spire, you should go first to where is it, Shipwreck Shore, and get a water pet. And for Shipwreck Shore, I can't speak. You want to go to Firefly Forest. I know that's probably a little confusing, but plant is stronger than water, and fire is stronger than plant, but water is stronger than fire. But anyways, on to tip number 2. Now, tip number 2 is probably something you have completely overlooked and completely forgot about. So I'm going to show you right here, Scientist Slimerella. I know that sounds really dumb, but please listen. If you get some of the overpowered potions she's selling, like this one right here, the heroic always critical, it makes every attack you do always critical and will make you win matches so much faster, and you can use it in the boss fights to be able to actually get the gems. But guys, if you're broke like me, like I only have 116 gold, the potion you probably wanna get is go back here. Pretty sure damage bonus, it's still gonna make your battles much faster because you do more damage. Let me get it right there. Now I'm even more broke, 3 gold. But if you use those potions, it will make your battles go by so much faster. And honestly, those 2 potions are really the only ones you should get, I guess. No, these are resist because the others are just helping you not lose a battle, but these are helping you win them quicker. And I know I can't speak. I know you need to have membership, but most people have it nowadays anyways. Now is the time for the most important tip to getting every gem in a day. I'm actually going to demonstrate this right here. So if you go over here to Firefly Forest, Firefly Forest, I can't speak today. I don't know why. Haven't made videos in a while. But as you can see right here, you'd have to go through this at the very start. And you might think of just like going over here if you look on my mouse. But what you want to do is go this way right here as I'm showing with the arrow instead of the other way. Because if you go through here, you only need battle 2 monsters instead of 3, like if you would go over here, saving you so much time. So yes, the third tip is literally to avoid the battles and the math in a math game. Some monsters you still have to fight, and like every region is like this, like they have some areas where you can just avoid the monsters. So if you can, just try to do that, like go on the outskirts right here so I avoid this monster right here, and boom, I've just saved half the time. But now guys, we are going to go on I literally can't speak on how to place the gems. Now, when you saw this at the start of the video, you were probably really confused, like, how do you have every gem on there? Well, I don't. If you look over here, I only have this gem because right now Prodigy, and for like 4 years they have not let you place all the gems. They're still building the towers, and currently the only ones available are the plant one, and some people have early access to the ice one, which I don't yet, sadly. But if you have those two, and if you have the early access to the ice one to place the gems, you just go over here and like literally click on like this first pedestal, the green one, and there will just be like a button to place the gem. So it's honestly not that hard. You just need to click the button, but you can only place the plant gem, and some people can place the ice gem. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time.